Okay, what we have here is an Armstrong International nanobubble generator. This particular model is an ANG20 3/4 inch, as you can see, 3/4 inch connection. We've got a little bit of a volume of water here in our bathtub with a sump pump. It's a 1.5 horsepower sump pump that feeds into the nanobubble generator. We've got a Armstrong International AUP portable ultrasonic flow meter measuring our flow rate into our nanobubble generator. This is our nanobubble water coming out, so we're processing this volume of water, taking all of the non-condensables in this water and converting them into nanobubbles. You can see here that our flow rate is running at about 2.8 GPM. That's a good flow rate for this particular model. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how we've had this running for about 24 hours into nanoscopic bubbles, and I'll show you how we can identify those nanoscopic bubbles using a laser. Okay, to identify that we have nanobubbles produced in this volume of water, what we're going to use is 2 containers, glass containers, and a common laser, flashlight, see our laser, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a dip of this nanobubble water. Remember, this water here was processed for 24 hours, recirculated through a nanobubble generator. So I'm going to put that water there. Then what I'm going to do is just take common tap water out of this bathtub. So you can see it's common tap water. Take a little bit of that. Okay. So this is our regular water on the right side, and our nanobubble water on the left side. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn the lights off. We're going to look at our water. So again, we've got our common water on the right. Let's look at that first. So you can see I've got this laser beam shine through here just like this. Okay, and you can see the beam down in there. See what that looks like? Kind of how it's kind of choppy and broken up. Those are micro bubbles, but not nanobubbles. Okay, now what I'm going to do is come over to my nanobubble water and look at that beam there. You can see that the laser picks up the nanoscopic bubbles. You can see how tight that is. So you've got nanoscopic bubbles as well as micro bubbles. So this is our nanobubble water, has been processed for 24 hours. This over here is just common tap water. It does not have nanobubbles in it. It has micro bubbles in it. So you can see the difference in that particular. You can see that it's really faint. You can see bubbles in there, but they're micro bubbles, maybe a few nanobubbles, but over here, very strong. Same laser, same water.